How to buy a house remotely in 6 steps. Buying a home is a big deal, one that has long required buyers to attend in person. But advances in technology and growing comfort with remote living have made it easier to shop for and buy a home from a distance. Here are the 6 steps to buying a home remotely. Step 1. Think about what you want. Make a wish list of the things you want in your new home. Do you want a house, a townhouse, or a condo? What about the size, style, and room count? Don't forget about schools, safety, transportation, leisure amenities, and climate. This is also the time to get pre-approved for a mortgage, so you know how much you can afford to borrow. Step 2. Find a real estate agent you can trust. Since this is a remote transaction, the real estate agent plays a larger role in the process. In addition to an agent who knows the community well, you want one that's tech savvy enough to help you view homes from afar. Step 3. Shop for homes and get virtual tours. At this point, you'll be getting on live video calls with your agent to tour prospective properties. Step 4. Make an offer. Your real estate agent will handle most of these details for you because they're familiar with the area and can deal with the seller directly. Step 5. Apply for the mortgage and get the home inspected and appraised. All this can be done remotely so long as you can sign legal documents digitally. Your agent can help you find a local professional such as a home inspector, and they can email you copies of their reports. For the final walkthrough before closing, you ideally would look at it in person. But if that's not doable, then ask your agent to do another live video call. Step 6. Close on the house. Signing the closing documents is usually done in person, but digital technology allows this to be done remotely as well. Buying a house, which is a huge purchase, and doing it remotely requires a lot of trust in your real estate agent, since your agent will be your eyes and your ears. I recommend you speak with several real estate agents local to the area before you decide on which one to go with. That's it for today, and I wish you the best on your home buying journey.